Hey guys, I hope you're doing well, and I hope your test review has gone well so far. Hopefully, this doesn't come as something that's gonna stress you out, along with whatever else you guys have going on. I know you have final exams also due to start at some point soon, if they haven't already, depending on when you guys watch this. But this is going to be your differential equations test. And what I've done is I've come up with 3 questions. They're not that hard, I don't think. What I want you guys to do is I want you guys to give me the solution the whole long way that we did it, all right, for the first 2 questions, and then there's going to be a bonus question that you can do however you like. All right, so the first question is, I want you to solve a very basic one, y equals y prime, all right? But I want you to give me the entire solution, all right? I want you to give me the whole mu is equal to blah, 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 and then y is equal to 1 over mu, all of that stuff, right? I want you guys to give me all of that, and to make sure that that's very clear, I'm gonna tell you how you can check that you did it right, and it's that I'm giving you the answer, all right? Y should be equal to c e to the x, all right? That should be your answer, okay? So yeah, so work together if you need to, or work individually, doesn't matter to me, to try and solve this dE, all right? But the long way. I want to see the q is equal to this, and g is equal to this, and mu is equal to this, and plugging it all in, all right? So I want to see all of that for question 1, and I want to see all of that for question 2. All right, and question 2 is solve y prime equals x, y, all right? And for this one, your answer is a little bit more complicated, but your answer should be y is equal to c e to the x squared over 2. That's all in the exponent, all right? This is all in the exponent right here. That should be your answer. I'm giving you the answer because I want you guys to be able to check that you did this right. This is not about me giving you a check mark or an X. This is about you guys seeing how well you understood this. If you guys happen to get the wrong answer or run out of time or whatever, try it again. Try it at home or give it another go in your next math class, whatever you like. All right, whenever you guys finish, I'll try and double check this. Maybe you'll get different instructions after I upload this, because I haven't actually decided anything yet on how I want you guys to submit this. But what I'm thinking is write it all down and give it to Miss Fiona or Mr. Anthony, and I'll have one of them send me a picture of the solution so that I can give them feedback to give you guys or something like that. All right, so what I'm thinking is work on it together or individually or some combination. Just make sure I can tell, you know, if you did it individually or did one question individually. Show that you did it on your own, write just your name at the top. If you guys all work together on it, put all your names, just so that I know who I'm giving the feedback to. I don't care if you do all or part of it alone or as a group, but just so that I know who I'm giving feedback to for what points here and there, all right? So that's that for questions 1 and 2, and then I'm also going to give you guys a bonus question. And you don't have to do this the long way. If you can see an answer, you can give me an answer, just like that. But I want, I'm going to write this, I'm going to just write it down, and then I'll put the board back up. So, I want two possible solutions for this question at the bottom, all right? Give me two possible solutions to y equals y double prime, all right? So I'm going to write that up here so you can see it. Y equals y double prime. This is your bonus question, all right? Two solutions, all right? I think you'll be able to figure it out, especially if you all work together as a group, so I'm not going to give you a hint, but just know that if, for example, your answer was sine of x, which it's not, but if your answer was sine of x and you give me sine of x and 2 sine of x, because of the solution like maybe the solution was supposed to have a c in it, that doesn't count. All right, so I want two different things as solutions that don't involve the constant in front. All right, so for example, with this question, if I asked for two solutions to this, if there were two, I would not want 1 e to the x and 2 e to the x. If there was a second type of way to get this answer, if there was a second type of answer with something different over here, I would want that. All right, so that's what I want for the bonus question, is two different answers, not counting the number that you stick in front. All right, two different answers that way. That's your bonus question. Again, it's not really for marks, it's just for understanding, but let me know how that goes for you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing your answers, and hopefully all goes well. If this was too hard, I'm really sorry. I know this is really advanced. I'll still probably put out a couple of more videos for second order, and maybe I'll branch off into something else, just so you guys still have something if you want to keep learning. But this is the end of the DE's test, and I'll see when I get your test information, like when I get your answers, how much time we have left, to see if there's any time for me to structure something else properly, or to just leave it as review for a final exam or something like that. Alright, so we'll see how that goes. I haven't decided anything of where to go from here, at least not yet. Hopefully you can see everything now. So this is your test. Copy it down if you need to still. Hopefully you can see most of it. There, that should fix the light problems. So copy this down if you need to. But yeah, good luck on your test, and if it's a Monday, then I hope you guys had a good weekend. If a Monday is, or if the weekend is coming, then I hope you have a good weekend. And yeah, either way, good luck on the test, and I look forward to seeing your answers. Have a good one.